Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Paula's Choice Pore Normalizing Cleanser is probably one of the most sought-after skincare solutions for those battling enlarged pores and uneven texture, promising a visibly smoother and refined complexion. This gentle yet effective formula is designed to tackle the root causes of poor appearance, including excess oil and debris buildup, without stripping the skin of its natural moisture. If you're on the hunt for a cleanser that actively works to minimize the look of pores and leave your skin feeling clean, balanced, and refreshed, then this product might just be your new holy grail. Number 5. Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant. Discover the secret to a refined complexion. This powerful exfoliant gently removes dead skin cells, revealing a smoother texture. Say goodbye to enlarged pores and visible fine lines. It works deep within to minimize their appearance for a more youthful look. Struggling with blackheads? This formula is specifically designed to tackle them, leaving your skin clearer and more balanced. Experience the benefits without irritation. Its fragrance-free composition makes it suitable for even sensitive skin types. Unlock your skin's true potential with this essential step in your routine. Achieve a visibly improved and perfected complexion. Achieve a polished finish with this advanced liquid exfoliant. It refines skin texture and promotes a healthy, radiant glow. What we like? This liquid exfoliant is a powerhouse for tackling stubborn blackheads and refining pore appearance. It also works wonders on fine lines and wrinkles, offering a smoother complexion. If you're looking for a comprehensive treatment for enlarged pores and uneven texture, this is your go-to. What people say. This cleanser is a game-changer for oily and acne-prone skin, effectively removing excess oil and impurities without stripping the skin. It contains salicylic acid, which helps to exfoliate the pores and prevent breakouts, leaving the skin feeling clean and refreshed. The lightweight, gel-like texture lathers well and rinses off easily, making it a pleasure to use daily. Number 4. Paula's Choice Skin Balancing Toner. Tired of large pores and excess shine? This toner is designed to tackle those concerns head-on, leaving your skin looking refined. It doesn't just control oil, it also works to hydrate and replenish your skin. Experience a balanced and comfortable complexion. Specifically formulated for those with oily or combination skin types. It helps to rebalance your complexion without stripping it. Infused with the power of niacinamide, this formula works to visibly reduce pore size. It also helps to regulate oil production. Enjoy the benefits without irritation. This toner is completely fragrance-free, making it suitable for sensitive skin. Achieve a smoother, more balanced complexion with regular use. It's the perfect step to prep your skin for further treatment. What we like? This toner is specifically designed to shrink the look of large pores and keep oiliness at bay. It provides essential hydration without feeling heavy. If you have oily or combination skin and struggle with shine, this toner will help balance and refresh your complexion. What people say. It's a gentle cleanser that effectively removes makeup and impurities without stripping the skin. This cleanser helps to minimize the appearance of pores and leaves the skin feeling smooth and refreshed. The formula is lightweight and rinses clean, making it suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Number 3. Paula's Choice Clear 3-Piece Acne Kit. Introducing the Clear 3-Piece Acne Kit from Paula's Choice. This comprehensive set is designed to tackle mild to severe acne and breakouts effectively. Start your routine with the daily cleanser to wash away impurities. It prepares your skin for the targeted treatments that follow. Next, experience the power of 2% salicylic acid. This exfoliant works deep within your pores to clear congestion and prevent future blemishes. Finally, apply the benzoyl peroxide treatment. It actively fights acne-causing bacteria to heal existing breakouts and prevent new ones from forming. This fragrance-free formula is suitable for all skin types. You can trust it to be gentle yet incredibly effective in your fight against acne. With this 3-piece set, you have everything you need for clearer, healthier-looking skin. Say goodbye to acne and hello to confidence. What we like? This kit offers a complete, 3-step system to combat acne effectively. It includes a cleanser, an exfoliant, and a treatment to prevent and clear breakouts. If you're dealing with mild to severe acne and want a straightforward, all-in-one solution, this set is perfect for you. What people say. The cleanser is effective at removing makeup and impurities without stripping the skin. It leaves the skin feeling clean and refreshed, with a noticeable reduction in pore appearance over time. The gentle formula is suitable for sensitive skin types, as it does not cause irritation or redness. Number 2. PAULA'S Choice Clear Anti-Redness Solution. Tired of redness and stubborn breakouts? This powerful solution is designed to calm irritation and clear your skin. Formulated with 2% salicylic acid, it effectively penetrates pores to tackle mild to severe acne and blackheads. Say goodbye to clogged pores. This exfoliant helps to reveal a clearer, smoother complexion. It's gentle enough for daily use and completely fragrance-free, making it ideal for sensitive skin. Experience visibly reduced redness and fewer blemishes. Achieve the calm, clear skin you deserve. What we like. This exfoliating solution is formulated to calm redness while aggressively treating acne and clogged pores. It's excellent for persistent breakouts and blackheads. If you suffer from acne that also comes with visible redness and irritation, this product can help soothe and clear your skin. What people say. This cleanser is great for oily skin and helps to control oil throughout the day. It effectively removes makeup and impurities without stripping the skin. The formula is gentle and doesn't cause any irritation or redness. Number 1. PAULA'S Choice Resist Daily Pore Refining Treatment 2% BHA. Introducing the Resist Daily Pore Refining Treatment. This powerful exfoliant is designed to minimize the appearance of pores for a smoother complexion. Formulated with 2% BHA, it effectively unclogs pores and removes dead skin cells. Experience a clearer, more refined skin texture. It also contains hyaluronic acid to hydrate and plump your skin. Get the benefits of exfoliation without the dryness. This liquid exfoliant is perfect for those with oily, normal, or combination skin types. It helps to balance and improve your skin's overall health. Incorporate this treatment into your daily routine to reveal smoother, brighter, and more radiant skin. Achieve your best complexion yet. Its gentle yet effective formula works to improve skin clarity and tone. You'll love how your skin looks and feels. What we like. This daily treatment is designed to refine pores and improve skin's overall texture with regular use. It combines exfoliation with hydration for a balanced effect. If you have oily, normal, or combination skin and want a gentle yet effective daily exfoliator that also moisturizes, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This cleanser is formulated with salicylic acid, which helps to exfoliate and unclog pores. It effectively removes makeup and impurities without stripping the skin's natural moisture barrier. The gentle formula is suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.